Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enter and join the Valentine's Day quest. So to join from free play or any lobbies, you don't have to go inside of the portal. You can just select this icon next to the camera. You're just going to select join under Valentine's quest. If your friend's already in the quest, you're just going to select friends and you're going to select join and press yes. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!